They look like displaced train engines, these strange contraptions from another time. And today, at an old-time threshing bee, these great machines take you back to the rugged excitement of the days when steam powered the harvest. To have a Pabst Blue Ribbon beer is to recapture that same feeling. People still look for and enjoy the good things from the past. Blue Ribbon is one of them. Still brewed slowly and naturally, like it was when it won the Blue Ribbon. Good old-time flavor for those who feel beer is something special. Pabst Blue Ribbon, brewed by the first of the great Milwaukee brewers.